What if I told you there's a different way to find winning products on Shopify? One that doesn't involve chasing the latest trends? I use this exact method to generate significant revenue with a product that almost everyone else was completely ignoring. Now, I want to be really clear. These results took a lot of hard work, and they aren't typical. But the research framework I used is something any e-commerce entrepreneur can learn from, and today, I'm going to share those principles with you. So many entrepreneurs get stuck on product research, feeling like they're just guessing what might sell. We're going to break that cycle. Instead of just looking for what's popular right now, we'll dive into an alternative approach. It's all about evaluating products by looking at their historical data and, most importantly, identifying brand new marketing angles. This isn't about finding some magical quick win, because let's be honest, those rarely exist in a real, legitimate business. This is about building sustainable research skills that will serve you for years to come. So, how do we do it? First, we focus on comprehensive market analysis. I look for products that have shown real interest in the past, but might have new audience potential if we position them differently. Maybe a product that was marketed to one group could be a game changer for a completely different one. Second, we get creative with our marketing angles. This is where the magic happens. Instead of just copying the ads that are already out there, we need to brainstorm how different customer segments might use the exact same product. Think about their unique problems and how this product could be their solution. This is how you stand out in a crowded market. Third, and this is non-negotiable, we implement transparent communication. Building a long-term, sustainable business means being honest. Clearly representing your products and managing customer expectations is absolutely crucial. It builds trust, which is the foundation of any successful brand. These principles are really just the starting point. If you're serious about building proper e-commerce research skills and want to go deeper, I've created a detailed checklist for you. It expands on everything we've talked about today and helps you develop a more systematic approach to finding those hidden gem products. You can find the link to download it completely for free in the description below. If you found this educational framework helpful, I would really appreciate you liking this video and subscribing for more content on building a real business. In our next video, we'll be breaking down ethical advertising practices for e-commerce. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you then.